Hello and welcome to the channel. My name is Sheree and you have found Sheree's Alchemy Shop TV. As the title suggests, this is a YouTube channel dedicated to showcasing the fabrics and the products that I sell in my online fabric shop. So I'm going to be using this platform to share with you unboxings of new fabrics as they come in. I will be sharing with you any kind of sales and discount codes that I have currently going on. And then more importantly, I want to use this as a space to share with old customers, new customers, some of the projects that I like to do with the fabrics that I sell. For example, this shirt that I'm wearing is a blouse that I made using a Big 4 pattern, and I used this gorgeous printed cotton that I sell in my shop, and it's from Anna Maria Horner's collection called Hindsight. And so I have a lot of those fabrics still left in the shop. In addition to quilting, I use these fabrics for all sorts of projects. The shirt is an example, and let me grab some other things to showcase other things that I like to sew up and whip up with some of these amazing cotton fabrics that I sell in my store. So here I'll share with you all just a quick and easy set of napkins that I made with one of the gorgeous floral prints that I have in the shop. Of course, I personally love to sew for children, and so I like to make aprons with these fabrics for children. Here's another really fun apron. This is one of those little kawaii cute fabrics. Here's a very quirky fabric with little mustache Christmas trees. Fun apron to make. And here's a lovely retro reproduction fabric that I use to make a children's apron. And then here's an adult apron that I made using another bold and gorgeous print from Anna Maria Horner. Love this. And then in addition to this top, as I said, I love to make apparel with these quilters cottons. And again, I make adult clothing, but I also really enjoy making children's clothing with these fabrics. Here's an adorable tiered skirt for a little girl. And the final thing I'll share with you all today is just this simple little dress, again using gorgeous quilters cottons. This is a Liberty of London quilted cotton fabric, and it just sews up so beautifully to make these durable heirloom quality dresses for little girls. So I hope that you will consider subscribing to the channel. And this channel will be solely dedicated to featuring fabrics, books, patterns, and any other kind of notions and supplies that I sell in my online store. So I look forward to bringing you all lots of tutorials and sew-alongs featuring the fabrics and the books and the patterns that I sell in the shop. I will, of course, like I said, be sharing different discount codes exclusive to my YouTube family. And alright, so that's it for today for my introductory trailer video. I just really wanted to take a minute to introduce you all to the channel and to me, and invite you all to come along on this new journey with me on this new channel. I would love for you to subscribe to the channel. I'd appreciate it if you would like the video, share this out with anyone that you know that loves all things creative, and especially all things fabric and sewing and quilting. We would love to have them join us over here in this community, and I look forward to sharing with you all my very first unboxing video very soon. Okay, all right, now take good care, make something beautiful. Bye now.
A little different than all the rest. I'm quite old-fashioned, where I had sometimes played chess. And when I'm out, I'm looking for that vintage fling. But all complexions that I adore, so hard to find, these seem impossible to score. So I dream of just the whiskey neat. The lights were dimmed as our